also we are pushing for all government agencies that procurement should be electric vehicles already, Mr. Chair. Combustible make us dependent on diesel, and we have realized that. And I think electric vehicles will win us out of dependence on diesel, especially on transportation.
I support the statements of Senator Risa Ontiveros. In fact, nag-uusap po kami ni Senator JV. Ang pag-asa lang ho natin para umalis sa addiction natin sa langis is electric vehicles. Masyado tayong addict sa langis dahil import tayo ng import ng langis. At electric vehicles lang ang bukod tanging solusyon natin. In a year, almost 500,000 new vehicles ang binibili ng bansa natin. Itong 500,000, almost 492,000, lahat to ay internal combustion engine. Kung papalitan natin to na electric vehicles, hindi na tayo mag-i-import ng langis kahit saan man. No? At meron na tayong napakagandang batas, yung EVIDA law, na binigyan namin ang Department of Energy. Napakadaming kapangyarihan para matulak, mapush itong electric vehicles.